Join me as I dive into the world of crypto and challenge myself to turn a small investment into big returns by 2025. Crypto has rapidly become one of the most buzzworthy investment opportunities out there, and for good reason. With its decentralized nature and potential for massive returns, it's no wonder people are turning their attention to this relatively new market. But what makes 2025 so special? Is it really the year that crypto will finally take off and bring in the big bucks? Stick around to find out. I know what you're thinking. Isn't crypto just a wild west of volatility and uncertainty? Isn't it only for tech-savvy insiders who know the secret handshake? Don't you need to be some kind of genius to even understand it? I'm here to tell you that those are just misconceptions. Sure, crypto can be intimidating at first, but it's not rocket science. With a little patience and practice, anyone can learn to navigate this market like a pro. But what about the risks, you ask? Isn't crypto just a gamble, a high-stakes game of chance where only the lucky ones win? Not if you're informed and smart about your investments, it's not. Of course, there are risks involved, but that's true of any investment. The key is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. With the right mindset and strategy, the potential rewards far outweigh the risks. And let's not forget the worst-case scenario: what if I lose everything? I know it's a scary thought, but the truth is, losing money is a normal part of the investment game. Even the most experienced investors have their fair share of losses. The key is to learn from your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and keep moving forward. Advancements in blockchain technology are happening at an incredible pace. With each new innovation, the crypto market becomes more secure, more efficient, and more accessible to the average investor. And let's not forget about the upcoming regulations that will bring much-needed clarity and stability to the market. By 2025, we can expect to see a crypto landscape that's more user-friendly and less prone to wild fluctuations. Another trend that's gaining momentum is the growing adoption of crypto by mainstream institutions. As banks, hedge funds, and other big players enter the market, we can expect to see increased liquidity and more opportunities for individual investors to get in on the action. And with the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, the possibilities for growth and innovation are endless. But what about the environmental impact of crypto, you ask? Isn't mining just a huge energy suck that's destroying the planet? While it's true that crypto mining requires a lot of energy, the industry is rapidly shifting towards more sustainable practices. With the development of more energy-efficient mining techniques and the rise of eco-friendly coins, we can expect to see a significant reduction in crypto's carbon footprint by 2025. So, what do the experts think? Will 2025 be the year that crypto finally breaks into the mainstream and brings in the big returns? According to many industry insiders, the answer is a resounding yes. They point to the increasing adoption rates, the advancements in technology, and the growing interest from institutional investors as signs that crypto is on the verge of a major breakthrough. One of the most compelling predictions I've come across is the idea that certain cryptocurrencies will see significant returns on investment by 2025. I'm not talking about 10% or 20% growth. I'm talking about 100%, 200%, or even 500% returns. Of course, these are just predictions, and there are no guarantees in the world of crypto. But if the experts are right, the potential rewards are staggering. Another prediction that's gaining traction is the idea that 2025 will be the year of the institutional crypto investor. As more and more mainstream institutions enter the market, we can expect to see a significant increase in investment volumes and a corresponding upward pressure on prices. This could be the catalyst that finally brings crypto into the mainstream and opens up new opportunities for individual investors. So what can we expect from 2025? Will it be the year that crypto finally takes off and brings in the big returns? While no one can predict the future with certainty, all signs point to a very exciting year ahead. With advancements in technology, increasing adoption rates, and growing interest from institutional investors, the potential for growth and innovation is enormous. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of crypto and the potential for big returns in 2025. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more insights and analysis on the crypto market. And don't forget to share your thoughts on what you think will happen in 2025 in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.